Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, Aza. So, in my first SKL in 9th grade, especially in Android, today I want to tell you my project, ID card project. So, here is my Kodular ID card project, which name I did identity. So, in my Kodular ID card project, I have four screens. So the first screen is the splash screen, of course. It will show up when you first time open the application. Just like unusual splash screen. In here we have timer interval 100 seconds. When the timer is already reached out, so it will move to the other screen. In this project, it will move to the menu screen. And here's the code. And for the next screen is, of course, the menu. In the menu screen, we have two choices. The first one is make a new ID card, and the second one is my ID card, or to see your previous ID card. This button, so you can click it, of course, and this is the code. We use tinydb1 for collect the data or save data. So here's the code for the button one or the make new ID card. When you click the new ID card, the global button or the variable button will change into yes. When you click the my ID card to see your previous ID card, it will turn into the other screen, but if you haven't make an ID card, it will show a notification you haven't made a name tag yet. I'm sorry, before for the button one, if you click the button one, you will directly move to the other screen for make a new ID card. And that's all for the second screen or the mini screen. And let's we just dive into the next screen, which is the new ID card screen. This menu is, sorry, this screen help us to make our ID card. Here we have text box so you can fill your own name or your personal identity here for make your own ID card. So let's see for the code. In here, I use sending data code. When you put or enter your personal data on the text box, it will send to the other screen, which is the ID card screen, so it can input your data before. So here is the screen. I'm sorry. Here's the block. We have variable. Actually, you have seven variable. And here is the code when we click the button when we finish entering our data. When the button click, the variable will send the data from this screen to the other screen. And that's all for the new ID card screen for make your own ID card. And next one is it's our ID card. Here is the look of our ID card. Anyway, in here we use image, but in this application or in my project, you can't to change your profile, so it will only swan here to make it balance. Yes, but in here you can change or insert your own name, your own birth number, project, and the other. So for this code is, of course, it will receive the data from the last page or the new ID cards page. So here is when you receive the data when screen one initializes. Yeah, I'm sorry for bad pronunciation. And in here we have another sending data to the other screen. Um, this one is for sending data to the my ID card to see my of your previous ID card. So it will connect them when you make a new ID card. And that's all. And for the last one, it's my identity or my previous ID card. So it will receiving data from the ID card, the previous ID card screen. So it will connect each other. And forget there's one uh, image that we can click here. And the function is for going back to the other screen. And that's all for my code and my UI for this project ID card. Anyway, I think I have one, two, three, four, five. I'm sorry, I have five screen in this project. So, without further ado, let's try it on my phone. So, it is four or not. We start from the splash screen. First, I will use Kodular company. Anyway, I will be recording in this phone so you can see the result here. Okay, so here it is. First of all, let's make a new ID card. Click the first button and you can enter your full name, nickname, place and date of birth, phone number, project, books, and also certificate. I will input a random name. For nickname also, I will input random. Um, Phone number, project, and if you're done, click the button. And here is it, your ID card. Now you can go back and go to see my or your previous ID card. This next button, and here is it. It will show your previous ID card, and also you can make a new ID card. And that's all for my presentation or demonstration for my first SKL in Android or in this nightmare. So thank you so much for your nice attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi